Hi guys! Recently I got some messages and emails requesting my salted caramel recipe after the salted caramel apple tart recipe that you saw, so I thought I'd share that with you today. So to start, you want a heavy saucepan and add 200 grams or 1 cup of sugar to it. On a medium heat, constantly stir it until the sugar melts. At first, the sugar will seem slightly lumpy, but that's okay. It will eventually melt down and become a liquid and a lovely amber color. This is a recipe where you can't walk away, even for a second. You have to keep an eye on it all the time, but it's well worth it, so watch it like a hawk. For those who haven't already done so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so you get to see all of the new recipes as soon as they're uploaded. As you can see, the sugar is lumpy and parts of it are beginning to melt. This is just right. There's no need to panic yet. You're doing perfectly fine. Slowly the sugar will completely melt and become this thin golden liquid. That's exactly what you want. Be careful not to let it go any darker than this, otherwise you could easily burn the sugar and you'll get a bitter caramel flavour to your salted caramel, and you don't want that. Add 90 grams of butter to the liquid sugar. This step is quite dangerous. As soon as you add the butter, the mixture will begin to bubble and spatter. Just mix it for a minute until smooth. Oh my god, it already looks so amazing. Now we're going to slowly add half a cup of heavy cream. Again, the mixture will bubble and spatter, so be very careful. Hot caramel burns, so stay safe. The reason why the mixture is bubbling is because the temperature of the butter and the cream are a lot colder than the caramel, so it tends to bubble like crazy. Once the mixture is smooth, stop stirring it and allow the caramel to come to a boil and cook for 1 minute. At this point, you can remove it from the heat and add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this well and oh my goodness, sweet amber deliciousness. As you can see here, it's quite thin, but don't worry, the caramel will thicken as it cools. Allow it to cool slightly before putting it into a jar or a container. Store this in the fridge for up to 1 month. Not that it's actually going to last you that long, but to use it again, you may need to warm it up to make it pourable. Use this caramel for brownies, pies, to top ice cream, or even to eat it with a spoon. Not that I do anything like that. I mean, I'm not obsessed with salted caramel, but you will be as soon as you try it. So I hope you give this recipe a go. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked the recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye!